Welcome to the Swan Story YouTube channel. I'm Mark Swan.
I'm Barb, and this is Polly.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove your Lippert Wall Armor doors. To begin with, to make your doors lighter, I would suggest removing the glass inserts. There are 4 of them. Next thing you want to do is remove these 2 silver screws and the plate that it's hold. And this is holding in the pin that holds the top of your doors. So we're going to remove that right now. With the hinge pin plate removed, you can see the slot that the pin slides into. So now to remove the door, we want to slide the door all the way open. Pull your strap, which releases the top part of your door. And when the door is at a 45-degree angle, the pin will release and it slides in and out of that pin slot. So once you've done that, you can just lean it down, pick it up slightly, and the whole door will come off. So looking at the bottom of your door before we put it back on, this is the pivot point for the inside bottom edge of the door, and that will set right on top of the pivot pin down here. So now we're going to put the pivot point on that pin on the bottom. And with the door leaning out, we can get the top pin in place. And remember to have your door at a 45-degree angle. The pin is right here. And it slides right into the slot, just the way we took it out. And now we just have to put the plate and those 2 silver screws back on there, and we're done. Thanks for visiting our channel, and thanks for watching our video. If you want to see more of our videos, please hit the subscribe button right down there, and you'll get notified whenever we upload any new videos. Thanks for watching.